This component is present everywhere. It is inside the screen that you are looking right now, and they are the electrical check valve of the circuit. Of course, we are talking about the diodes. A diode is an electrical component that is capable of conducting current in only one direction. There are several types of diode. These diodes are the fundamentals of the transistors, as they are the simplest form of a semiconductor device. So here's how they work. The process of adding impurities to the diode is known as doping. This doping are of two types. N-type, which is a donor containing antimony, and a P-type, which is an acceptor containing boron. They have literally three regions. The P region, a place where positive charge are living. A depletion region, this is a potential barrier between two regions. And a N region, where negative charges have built their home. So when no voltage is applied, the region is stable and the barrier is undamaged. This is known as the state of zero biased region. But for some reason, when we supply a voltage of greater than 0.7 volt, then they begin to fight with each other, breaking the barrier, and this happens. The electrons from the N region rushes towards the P region, and the positive charges present in the P region rushes towards the N region as the depletion region shrinks in size. To understand the biasing of the diode, let's rig a circuit. When the region is in contact with the positive side of a battery and the N region which is contact to the negative side of a battery, it forms a forward biased region. The current can easily flow through them. They have almost a negligible resistance. But when the P region is in connected with the negative side of the battery and the N region connected to the positive side of the battery, it forms a reverse biased. So this reverse biased have a high resistance and will almost block all the current passing through this. Thus, diodes can also be used as a switch, and it's like a check valve. So in the coming episode, we'll be dealing with rectification of voltage using a PN junction diode.